Hi guys, I want to do a video of how to do the gallery. So I'm going to open Pages and I want a new Pages and I'm going to do it as a landscape. You can do it as a portrait or a landscape. I just think landscape works a little bit better for shapes. So I'm going to open this. And I don't need this right away. The first thing I want to do is put in my background picture. So I'm just going to come up here to my photos and I'm going to go to my photos and just pick something. I will pick just my cat. Let's see, I'll take this one. And I'm going to put that in. There she is. Maybe move it down. Okay. And then maybe my topic is going to be toys that my cat likes to play with. So I'm going to come back up here to the photo, and this image gallery is the one I'm looking for. I click image gallery, and I'm going to put this wherever I want it, make it whatever size I want it. Okay. And then you'll notice it says tap the plus to add images. The one thing you do need to know with working on the iPad, that the images go in the order that you're putting them in. So I tend to put them in one at a time on the gallery. So I'm going to click the plus and I'm going to say choose photo, and I'm back over here. She likes to play with her brother. So I'm going to pick her brother. I'm going to say add, and the caption, his name is Fergus. Fergus. And done. And then I'm going to hold this. I'm going to say add another image. And I'm going to say choose photo. And maybe, I'll come down here, and she likes to sleep. Things my cat likes to do. She likes to sleep. I'm going to hit add. There she is. And I'm going to say her caption. Well, that's Fergus still. We need to come back over here. Hit that. Come on. I want to hit that caption. Caption. Oh, that's still Fergus. Make it bigger. Maybe I'll hit it then. There. She likes to sleep. Return. Shrink this all down again. And then I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to hit another image. Choose photo. Let's see. Do I have one where she's playing with something? Lots of her sleeping. Lots of both of them sleeping like your typical kitties. Oh, okay, here she is. What else does she like? She likes to be in her cat tree. So I'm going to go down, double click the caption, be in her, we call it her condo. So I'm going to put her condo. Done. Okay, make this smaller. Now remember, in your assignment, depending upon which assignment it is, that's going to tell you how many items you need inside of the gallery. Now, in order for the gallery to work, you have to export this as an EPUB, or you have to leave it in Pages. So if we're going to export it as an EPUB, we're going to come up to the down caret, export EPUB. All this, we're going to change the title. Oh, you know what? Let's go back in here. Before we go do that, let's come in and let's put, not on this page, that's the second page. We want to stay on this page. Let's put a title on this. So there's some font. We're going to make it, there we go. We're going to come up and format that font. We're going to make that way bigger. Maybe 36. That's what we'll go for. And we're going to leave it black. Well, maybe we'll change that. I'm going to take things, Finley likes to play with. Put it all on one line. Yep, that is kind of hard to see, so we're going to hit the paintbrush to format. Let's make it bold, and let's change that color. Let's see. Will red show up? Nah, maybe yellow. Yellow. That looks pretty good. Things Finley likes to play with. Okay. So we've got, make sure we can still see the captions. We've got to have that low enough. Let's move our picture up a little. So there is the caption. We'll move the words up a little. There we go. Okay, now we're going to export it. Oh, so it needs to be no book cover and fixed layout, I'm pretty sure. And then let's try this again. Gallery, example. We wanted to open it in books. There we go. And then we can click and we have the things that Finley likes to do. That's how it works. Hope this helps. Bye.